Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am with my seventh motivational video, and that is very important key factor for your progress, and that is focus. That is a focus what you require for your growth. If you don't have focus, you don't even expect a powerful success in your life. You can't even reach at your goal. Ladies and gentlemen, the focus is very important in life. You have to focus on what you want and not what you don't want. Listen carefully. You have to focus on what you want only. So you can say examples. Focus on your studies for especially young generation. Focus on your health, which is very important factor in your life. Focus on your goals. Every day and every night you have to focus what you want. You have to defocus your activities, what you don't want. You have to defocus from the people, from the toxic people in your life, which is a hurdle to your success. You have to defocus all the task which is not important now. What is important? What is the main task which can take you near to your goal? That you have to focus every time, ladies and gentlemen. You have to focus on your business. You have to focus on your customers. What exactly they want, how they want. You have to focus on net profit, not on gross profit. You have to focus on net income. You have to understand business. You have to understand your people. So always focus on your people, what they want, how they want, and when they want. So ladies and gentlemen, in life, the focus plays very important role. Take example of Mahabharata. Once the Guru asked Arjun to shoot the bird on the tree. He asked each one of his students, what do you see? The Arjun answers, the correct answer is how you focus yourself. Arjun just answers that he can see only the eye of the bird. It means he can't see the tree, he can't see the mountains, he can't see nothing. So only you have to focus what you want. Then only you can earn everything in your life. You can achieve anything in your life. So always focus on what you want and defocus on what you don't want. You have to focus on your health. You have to build your health powerfully. You have to focus on your studies. You have to study well. You have to focus on your important task. You can implement and execute that task well. You have to focus on your people. You have to connect good people, and you have to develop a good relations with your good people. So always you have to focus on what you want to increase. Wherever you focus, that thing increases. So always focus on solution, ladies and gentlemen. Don't focus on problem. It will definitely increase. Always focus on how you can pursue your life. Always focus on your growth. Always focus on development. Always focus on energy. How you can increase your energy. Focus is nothing but a powerful state of energy, a powerful state of your mindset. So always focus on what you want, where you want to go in life. Focus on your gift, focus on your development, focus on your strength, focus on your health, focus on everything what you want. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. If you understand this concept, you will become a very powerful personality in your life, and you can achieve anything and everything in your life, ladies and gentlemen. You have to always focus on what you want. That's all. Have a wonderful time with your business, with your family, and with your friends. Thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen.